All right, so let's get straight to it. If you've ever wanted to download the CapCut Pro version on your phone and use it without any problem, then this video is for you. So about 3 days ago, I've been facing some challenge on a version of the CapCut application that I've been using on my phone. Whenever I want to export a video, you have this notification popping up saying that there's no internet connection. And even if I want to add a caption to my videos, it keeps saying there's no internet connection. That got me worried. I've like searched for solution. Then finally I found a solution. Right. So this video is basically about a solution for you to get a CapCut Pro version and also face all the challenges that may come with it. Right. So this is what I did and it should be of help to you. So check the video description and download the app. Now, after I was able to fix the problem, this is how I was able to, use the CapCut. Whenever I want to export, there's no pop-up that says that there's no internet connection. There's no pop-up that will come up whenever I want to add caption to my video, which you will see there is no internet connection. Now everything works smoothly, right? So if you want to know the little juicy secret, just go to the video description and download the app using the link in the video description, and you are good to go. Just install it on your phone and you are good to go. Always don't forget to give me feedback in the comment section. Let me know if it worked for you, and let's see how we can help each other on this journey. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe for more. And of course, the link is in the video description. Go check it out. See you at the top.